Well, here we are again, working on the fence pickets. I'm going to take the nails out of the fence pickets. Got a little system here. Got the wheelbarrow with a bucket, old nails. I'll throw the pickets up there. I want to get these out because I'll probably end up reusing some of them. Like this. And they just fall in the bucket. Pretty slick, huh? Pretty slick. Let's get to it. Let me get the drill for that one. Love and marriage go together like a horse and carriage. For Pete's sake, that one's in there good. That one's in there good. All right. Look at that, they just fall right in the bucket. Get in there. What a day. Nailed it. This is kind of relaxing, I gotta say. Not all of them are hitting the bucket, but most of them are. Boy, this is good for your grip strength too, man. This will wear out your hands. Love and marriage. Love and marriage. This is super relaxing, man. I don't know why. I think that's it. Now, some of these I'm not gonna keep. These are broken, busted. They just split. That's not too bad. That works pretty quick. Fairly quick. Got a whole bunch of nails in there. Some of these are just gone. Look at this guy. Probably not even usable. This Italian brother. That one's not too bad. Put that in the save. Save pile. There's one. This one's a little moldy, but not bad. Ugh. This I'm telling you. There's the burn pile, burn trash pile. I think these guys right here are pretty good. I'm gonna reuse those for pickets or for some project or something. I mean, why throw them away? It's good, man. Yeah, this one's, see, it's not bad. Never know when you might do that. See, that one's just broken. It's gone. Toast. Man, it's almost football season. I get so pumped up right before football season. So pumped. I originally had this, put these pocket holes in here to, I was going to use this as a brace, and then I cut it at an angle to let the water drip off, but ended up not using it. So I guess it's a keeper. Not sure what to do with it, but I can use it for something. Yeah, I still got to break up the concrete. I don't know what to do with that concrete because not a lot of people take it. You can't put it in the trash. I may just try to break it up in little pieces and put it somewhere. I don't know. I have to get me a little sledgehammer and break that apart. This garage is messy. There's crap everywhere. There's the sawhorses, the bikes, they're just in the way. The crates, the gravel, I gotta get that out of there, the pallet. Well, here we are again. Until next time.